National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Milam County in central Texas, southeastern Bell County in central Texas, southwestern Falls County in central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Little River Academy, or near Temple, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Temple, Cameron, Little River Academy, Rosebud, Rogers, Buckholts, Sparks, Wilson, Yarrelton, Silver City, Leadale, Edgeworth, Barclay, Ben Arnold, Pettibone, Terry's Chapel, Burlington, Rodeburg, Seaton, and Zapsicville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.